Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Gagliardi Photography Tips and Tricks. Today I will show you how to change the keyboard shortcut settings for 3 of the major Adobe programs. And in particular we'll see Photoshop, Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects. So let's begin with Adobe Photoshop. Here we are in the Mac version. So to change the keyboard shortcut settings, we go to the Edit menu and then Keyboard Shortcuts. And here we have all the keyboard shortcuts. Now we go to Premiere. In Premiere it's a little bit different. We go to Premiere Pro here and Keyboard Shortcuts. And here we have all the keyboard shortcuts. Then we go to Adobe After Effects and here we go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, and here we have our shortcuts. Okay, now let's see how to do the same on the Windows version. So bye bye for today, it's all, and we'll see you in the next episode. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you, bye bye.